My name is Arianna Trapani. I'm an interior designer and stylist, and I'm also co-editor of Heart Home magazine. My family is originally from Italy, so I spend a lot of time in Italy, so that's why I've been influenced today to style my kitchen. A lot of Mediterranean feel going on, hence a lot of glass jars, and lots of herbs, and I like the smell of herb plants while I'm cooking. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I seem to spend most time in the kitchen than any other room. I love to drink coffee, being Italian, so I really think it's essential to have a coffee machine in your kitchen. That's why I love the coffee machine that's incorporated in the magnet kitchen. What I love about this magnet kitchen is that it's very clean. It's like a white canvas. I love the colour, the light grey. So everything that you want to incorporate, all the accessories, they kind of tend to play really well. I love the wooden worktop in this kitchen. I think it's fantastic. It gives a real nice rustic and country feel. I also love the storage space that this kitchen has. It's just so convenient because anything that's ugly I can just hide away and have all my pretty accessories on the worktops.